Today we're clipping back our ivy geranium baskets. We planted these back in February, and here it is March, and they're getting too big for this early season. We want to put more growth in the roots instead of the flowers. So what I'm doing is pinching the plants back, taking the big cabbage leaves, I call them, because they're blocking the center of the growing point of the geranium. So I'm taking and gently pinching the geraniums, making it more open for more growth, taking off any flower buds. You know how I like to take the color off before. These poor geraniums are nice dark red, and they didn't get any color to show because I'm already getting them pruned back for growth. And then we were going to hang them up, and they're all set. So there was 4 plants in here. I pinched back so it has an even growing. Look for any big leaves that are blocking the plant head there, so that can continue to regrow. And then we're going to hang them up, and we have automatic water lines so we don't have to water them all by hand. Josh is putting them up on the line, and we're putting 2 water tubes in each basket. We're a little too close here, so we're rearranging how we hang them on the water line. But it saves a lot of work for hand watering. If everybody had that at home, it would make watering a lot easier. But this helps in our greenhouse, so I don't have to get up there and hang water tubes on them every day. So